Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about Helen the Crafty Gamer. Now Helen set a goal at the start of the year to have double her products on her Etsy shop by 7/26/2019. To count down to her goal, she wants to count down by the weeks of the year. What week of the year is 7/26/2019? Let's use the WEEKNUM function to find out. Now here you can see that Helen has written out how many products she's posted so far based on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth week of the year. Now she's also had a column added showing the products that she's posted. She originally had 26 and now 6 weeks in, she's up to 30. And she's written out just little details of if she didn't have anything added, what's going on. It looks like here for the second week, she finished 2 archer designs and also created 2 wizards. So her figures that she's been making, she has been working on them, but doesn't have a completely finished product to add to her Etsy shop. So here's what we're going to do. She has a goal of doubling her products by this date, 7/26/2019. So although she may have updates for each week here, she needs to know how many weeks she has left total so she knows how much she's going to need to push herself for hitting that goal of doubling her product count on her Etsy shop by a certain date. So we're going to use the WEEKNUM function. Now this is very simple. You only have one piece of data you need to collect. We're going to first type in the equal symbol and type in WEEKNUM. You can see here, this is actually how we're going to have it written out. Now, all that we need is we need to know the exact week. And once we have that selected, this function will tell us what number that is, how many weeks into the year that is. So we'll select this, since that's the end goal date that Helen has. We'll type enter, and it tells us that that is the 30th week of this 2019 year. That means that 30 minus 6, she actually has a lot of time left to double her product count. But now she can correctly decide how much time she needs to spend each week on elevating how many products she has on her Etsy shop. Now that Helen has used this WEEKNUM function, she knows that she has exactly 30 weeks from the very beginning of the year to actually double her product count on her Etsy shop. This has kept things very simple because this gives her a clear idea of how she's going to count down to that and how she's going to be able to push herself to hit her goal. She can base more details of her goal on this information now. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below. And until next time, have fun excelling.